Natasha Pillay and am an ISTN honors student at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. I am going to show you how to use Learn 2022. So you might be asking yourself, what is Learn 2022? So Learn 2022 is actually a learning management system which will be used to facilitate your learning. This learning platform will be used throughout the semester and the course of your degree to facilitate your learning experience. You will find your tests, your assignments, and your content. Therefore, it is very important that you are made aware of how to use this platform. To access your Learn 2022 platform, you would simply need to go onto your website of Learn 2022. Once you have made it to the Learn 2022 website, you are required to log in. You would need to put in your student number and your LAN password, and then click Login. You will then be brought to the home page. If you had to scroll at the bottom, you can find your courses. At the top panel, you can also find the courses that you have enrolled for the semester. There is the home, dashboard, events, my courses, guides, and quick links in your Learn 2022 platform. To access your course, you can hover over the course section and click under the module that you have registered for. As you scroll down, you'll see the course materials and tests and assignments that you have due during the semester. It is very important that you are made aware of your module guide, course outline, or student guide. As a first-year student, it is very important that you are made aware of your course outline because it has the relevant assignment dates and the content in which you would be taught during the course of the semester. As a student, you will have announcements and notices that will be placed during the course of your semester. If you click under the course announcement section, you will see the notices that your lecturer has placed. It is very important that you constantly check up your course announcements. When you receive a course announcement, it will also be sent to your student email. So please also check that as well. Under this course section, you can see your participants. These are people that are enrolled within your relevant course, as well as your grades when you have submitted your assignments, your tests, and quizzes. Under the assignment section, you can see the assignments that are coming up. So similarly, there is an assignment that is due on the 27th of March. So these are very important features to be made aware of as a student. At the very top, you can also find students that are in your university. So you can search for their names and communicate to them via the Learn 2022 platform. Under the quick links section, you will see your UKZN email, your library, Turnitin, software rep, and Moodle. The UKZN library is a platform that you can use for your research and to find your textbooks. You can search for various research papers on your iCatalog. There is your ebooks, journals, ResearchSpace, and Google Scholar. So please do make use of all these resources. There is also Turnitin. Turnitin is actually a plagiarism detector software that is used for academic writing. If you have assignments to submit, you will also need to submit them through the Learn platform. You can also use your Learn 2022 platform to access your course notes, such as your lecture slides. Your lecture slides will help you during your lectures. And those are some of the main functionalities that you need to be aware of when using Learn 2022. Because we at UKZN try to #shape your future and inspire greatness.